OnePlus recently rolled out Android 11 developer preview for OnePlus 8 series. In this video, let's take a look at the new features added on Android 11. So without wasting any time, let's get started. First thing you'll notice after installing Android 11 that we have a new exclusive blue wallpaper. And that looks great. We still have option to choose other OnePlus wallpapers including live wallpapers. With Android 11 now we get a new notification panel with different sections like conversation, alerting and silent. And you can also set individual conversation as priority, alerting and silent. Bubble feature is also available, which is like Facebook Messenger app, but that's not working right now. In the notification panel, we get feature of notification history, wherein if you have by mistakenly swiped the notification or dismissed the notification, you can find that notification from notification history. We have also got a new screenshot animation, but that doesn't work with the default screenshot option. You need to use the power key and tap on screenshot to have that new screenshot animation, from where you can share and edit the screenshot. Do not disturb mode has been updated, and now we have a new do not disturb, which comes with the app exceptions. If you have activated the do not disturb mode, you can also add the apps which will continue to show you the notifications. Another new feature can be found inside the developer settings, from where you can enable the screen refresh rate, which will continue to show you the refresh rate of your screen if you're using any applications or while using the device. Camera application have been updated with Android 11, which now gives you the ability to share photos directly from the gallery thumbnail. Long pressing gallery thumbnail will give you all your social media platforms, from where you can share your pictures and videos. I have made a dedicated video on this camera application in which I have shown all the new features added on this. Make sure to check that out. Dark mode toggle have also been added in the quick setting panel. This have been added on OnePlus 7 series running beta program. Also, we have got a new set of clock styles on Android 11, and again this is already available on OnePlus 7 series running beta channel, and this is one of my favorite, which looks pretty clean. We have also got 100 mode inside buttons and gestures, but this is again completely broken. Hope it gets fixed in the upcoming updates. And the last change what I have found on Android 11 developer preview, now you can increase the size of picture-in-picture videos. Google is also working on improving location services. Now we get 4 options for location permission, which is allow all the time, allow only while using the app, deny, and the new addition is ask every time. So guys, these were few new features added on Android 11 developer preview on OnePlus 8 series. And there are still missing features of Android 11 on this developer preview. We don't get the new media control in the quick setting panel. Also no changes done with the power menu. Launcher version is version 5, but it's with an old UI. Nothing new added with this latest launcher. And at last you also won't find face unlock feature, which OnePlus have already mentioned on their forum. Along with that, they have also mentioned some apps may not perform good. So guys, this was a quick look on new features and what all features are missing on Android 11 for OnePlus 8 series. If you have any kind of questions related to Android 11, do let me know in the comment section below. This is a friend Ashok signing out. See you guys in the next video.